Alright, this is a little video showing my LED upgrades that I've done to the bike, including the LED spot lights, the LED headlight, the LED strobe, turn signals, as well as the brake lights and stuff like that. So, I do not have the Daymaker headlight. It is an LED bulb that I bought from the Harley dealership, and it is freaking bright. And these are kind of like the Daymakers, but I bought them off Amazon for $35. And that's the high beam and the low beam. And with the low beam, of course, the spotlights will come on. There's a high beam, low beam. Looking at the wall, high beam, low beam. You can't really tell, but let me turn the spots off. So turn the spots off, high beam, low beam, high beam, low beam. Now there is, when you buy the aftermarket LED lamp, there is a fan inside the lamp, you can hear it. And that's to keep the lamp cool. Those are the spotlights. The LED turn signals that I have are strobes. And let me turn that on. So those are the turn signals. And when you come to the rear, of course you have the LED strips here. Turn signals are LED, as well as my brake lights. So, as you see, these lights here flash continuously when you apply the brakes. This light down here, the main brake light, will flash 8 times and then go solid. And then this light just stays red. I believe. I don't think that one lights up. That'd be sweet if it did, but it doesn't. And those are the lights. This is a 2009 Harley Davidson Electric Light Ultra Classic. And that's what it looks like from the front. Pretty sweet. It definitely lights up the highway.